Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Chromebook can run desktop apps. Check for an Intel x86 CPU and at least 4 GB RAM. Once done, enable Google Play and Linux Beta from settings so you have both Android and a Linux container. Make sure you free 10 to 20 GB of disk space and connect the charger. Large installers and emulation demand steady power. Finally, reboot after enabling features so system services initialize. This prevents permission errors later. You now prepare the Linux container to host Bluestacks Windows installer. First, update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. This ensures compatibility. Then install wget, gdebi, and wine so Windows executables can run inside the container. Use apt install wget gdebi core wine y. Next, download the Bluestacks installer to the Linux files directory so paths are simple. Take your time here. Missing dependencies produce cryptic failures, and updating prevents that. You execute the installer with wine Bluestacks installer. Exe and follow the guided steps. Wine maps Windows calls into Linux so the emulator can install. Once installed, allocate more CPU cores and RAM to the Linux container in Chrome OS settings to improve performance and restart the container. If Bluestacks fails to launch, inspect the wine log for missing DLLs and reinstall dependencies. Alternatively, fall back to native Play Store apps or a cloud streaming solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.